He just pulled my hair.
Your first fight.
I can take an armful and make a treat.
Could you be any cuter?
Yeah.
Say good morning.
Good morning.
Well, you look pretty. It's awfully early. Well, it's not that you don't always look pretty, but you know. Brielle has ballet this morning. Nice and early.
I have it every Friday. Nice and early.
Mm-hmm. And then you go to school.
Yeah.
What do you have after school?
After school. Well, just today. I usually don't have anything. But today I am practicing Mario.
Your Mario dance, huh? Yeah. It's exciting. She made the team.
And I'm so excited. But I need to practice it first.
Practice makes perfect.
Yeah. Because we were supposed to watch a video and we never did.
It's your mom's fault.
Yeah, it is Mom's fault.
Alright, let's get you going.
Okay.
Love you too. Since you don't like me calling you turkey lips, I'm gonna call you turkey buns. Is that better?
Thank you.
Oh my gosh. Okay, now for me, I haven't been to the gym in pretty much 5 months since Jensen was born. I've gone like twice, but that's not enough, especially when you live a sedentary lifestyle. I sit a lot at work, and I haven't been as healthy as I would like to be. So Bree's got Jensen this morning. I'm gonna go right now. Normally it's because he doesn't sleep at all at night, but you know, today I'm finally gonna make it there because he is doing better. He's doing well. Like most of the time I've just felt like I just can't leave Bree alone with the baby if I don't absolutely have to. He's doing all right this morning, and I'm gonna go run. Davey Orgill and I are gonna probably run this 25K called the Buffalo Run in the spring. That's only a few months away, and it's 32 miles, I believe. So, and I'm the most out of shape that I have ever been in my entire life. So I should probably start running, because 32 some odd miles is kind of a lot if you're out of shape.
Later.
Oh, I feel better. Oh, I don't feel better. I don't think I'm gonna be able to walk today. That's okay, because it was worth it. Oh my gosh, I ran 4 miles. And that was probably the most painful 4 miles of my life. But again, we're running 30. Davey, so I messaged Davey, and he went running outside today. It's just too cold, especially up here in Cache Valley. Like anytime it's below 30 degrees, and you don't have the right gear. No thanks, I'm not running outside. But 4 miles in the books. I need to turn this into a habit. I need to find the time to be able to keep doing this, because I just don't want to die on the course. Bree would be so mad at me, as you can imagine. Then she'd have to take care of all the kids by herself. Good morning.
Is it her birthday?
What?
Is it her birthday?
Is it whose birthday?
Her birthday.
Thank you. Thank you, Cozy. Oh, I love your hugs. Oh, I love your hugs. Not yet. Pretty soon. Just a couple more days. You gonna give me a hug too?
Wait, 2 days.
I will take all the hugs I can get. Let's see. It's just gonna be Saturday, Sunday, and on the 3rd day. That's right, Monday. To be honest, Brielle, I just think this year we're gonna skip it.
Okay.
I just feel like, yeah, Cozy agrees. She said okay. Okay, I'm gonna go shower. Get you guys ready for the day.
Wait, where are we going?
No, I just got back. Dad went running. I went exercising today. Trying to stay healthy. Is that a good idea? Yeah, gotta stay healthy for you
Can
kids.
watch on the iPad and with Milky and on the iPad.
Wait, where's Bodie? Bon dia. Good morning. Good morning. Bodie, it's time to carpe diem and seize the day. Yeah. It's time to get up and go make life happen.
Wait, what?
I don't know, just some motivational stuff.
I thought you meant school.
Well, yeah, you do have to go to school.
No!
But today's your last day. It's Friday, so you get a couple days off tomorrow. Okay, I am off to work. It's Friday. I have to work tomorrow too, but I got a couple days off here soon.
Dad, give me purple vitamin.
Give you a purple vitamin. It's
Because
fluoride.
I have a cold.
Oh, okay. Okay, you can watch YouTube videos for about 5 more minutes. When Mom's done, yep, 5 minutes. When Mom is done feeding the baby, no more YouTube.
Why are you
Okay. Goes for you guys too. 5 minutes and then no more YouTube. Wait till this video's over. All right, see you guys in. For me, it's like 10 hours, 7 or 8 hours. For you, it's like 7 or 8 seconds. So I'll see you in 7 or 8 seconds. Dad's home from work, and he came bearing gifts from Little Caesars. Dad cooked tonight. Well, at least I was in charge of dinner. Who doesn't love pizza?
Who does love pizza?
No, right? Everybody does. It is really hot. Yep.
And I'm sick because I have a cold.
Yep. You have a cold. Mom has a cold. The baby has a cold.
Dad
So
has a
tonight we're
cold.
keeping it simple. Dad's done with his cold finally.
Dad!
What?
The pizza
Yep.
smells really yummy.
Does it smell really
No,
yummy?
I need to get better. Mom, everybody.
I know. We'll take our vitamins again tonight and go to bed.
How's 3 people sick?
It just happens. Unfortunately, it's that time of year. Breadsticks. Those are Mom's favorite. Mom loves the garlic breadsticks.
I
Look,
love it too.
I got you guys a cheese one that has bubbles all over it. What? This one has like a skin disease of some sort.
I like bubbles.
Yay, bubbles! That's a good attitude to have. Okay, I'll get you some plates. Go sit down at the table.
Now I can eat some bread.
Yep, go sit at the table. I'm gonna go relieve Mom from the baby. Well, kids devoured dinner. Yeah, it's gone. It's pizza, so no surprise there. We were gonna play some games tonight, being a Friday night, but I kind of got home late from work and this little guy is just exhausted. And for some reason, this is the only way that he would sleep tonight, is if one of us was walking around with him. So tonight kind of slipped away from us, but that's okay. Kids are getting the rest that they need. Cozy's tired. She's done for tonight. These little cuddle bugs. What are you guys watching again? What is this?
Madagascar.
The third? That's a cute show. You ready for bed, Cozy? You tired, babe? I think in this situation, no means yes. She's exhausted. It's tough, you know, you can't always do something exciting. At least not every night, right? So tonight's a low key. I think it's actually about time to get them into bed. I don't know what to do with this one though, because he's already out. We just need to get to spring. We just need to get done with winter already and the cold season, RSV season. Just get to healthy sunset season again.
You know what a baby says? Oh, round and round, round and round. The rhythm must go round and round.
Oh, do the down.
These on must go round and round, round and round. Good night.
Oh my goodness. Could you be any cuter?
Yeah.
There's always room for improvement. Spring has brought me such a nice surprise. Popcorn popping right before my eyes. I can take an armful and make a treat. A popcorn ball that would smell so sweet. It wasn't really so, but it seemed to be. Popcorn popping on the apricot tree. Aw, Emmy, did you decide to join us? Did you want some cuddles too?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey. Ow. He just pulled my hair.
First fight.
It's his only defense mechanism.
Okay.
Okay, that's enough bugs. I think ready for bed.
That's something.
You found something? Touch it up. Shh. Shh. Cozy, are you putting your baby to sleep? Where'd you get your cool hat? Is she so tired?
Yeah. Just because I'll go get my baby girl. She's named Princess Cinderella.
She's name is what? Precious Cinderella?
Yeah.
I like it.
My baby is sad. She wants to go to bed.
She does, huh? Let's go take her to bed, okay? Okay, come on. Bring him into the room. Come on. He started to look for some food. On Monday, he ate through one apple.
I like apples.
But guess what? He was still hungry.
I like apples, but I like strawberries, but not those. I need strawberries and apples.
Apples. On Tuesday, he ate through 2 pears. 1, 2. But
Hey.
guess what?
Hey,
He was still hungry.
wait, when we were so hungry, we turned into a butterfly?
Yeah. Do you want to turn into a butterfly
Yeah,
and fly away?
yeah.
Okay, that's not gonna happen.
I was just flying back to the house.
I love you.
Watch me whip. Now watch me.
No, we're not doing the nay-nay. No, we're going to bed.
Now watch me.
Hey, go feed the fish. Go feed the fish.
How do you know I didn't feed him?
Because I know you did. I know you didn't. Just like I know you didn't clean your room. Good grief, boy.
Oh.
Bodie doesn't like the smell of the fish food. Not too much. That's good.
Here, you smell it.
No, I'd rather not. Here, smell. Okay. Okay, good night, bud.
Let's do both. Okay, second.
Good night, bud. Good night.
Good night.
There we go. Okay, love you. Good night. Okay, everyone's in bed. I think.
Sitting.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
I'm letting you go back to our birthday town. Our birthday town. Come on.
Okay, yeah, let's go get into bed. Good girl. Hey,
Get that.
there you go.
I'm gonna turn you into pink. Pink 7.
Okay.
They're pink now.
Oh man, these kids don't sleep. Okay, I think everybody's asleep. Almost everybody. Today wasn't all that exciting, but this is real life. So, not every day is exciting. That's okay. Thrills, adventure, trials, tribulations, doesn't matter. Just part of life, and we're thankful for it. Thank you guys for watching. We do love you. We appreciate you. Through thick and thin. We'll see you tomorrow.
And the best round and round.